Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be as quick as I can due to time restrictions. Alright, today we're going to raise the suspension or the front end to the Kawasaki Vaquero to accommodate for a larger 21-inch front wheel. First thing you're going to need to do, and this goes for anybody who needs to do a wheel or tire change, okay? If you're oblivious to what's going on, you're going to need to have your 22 millimeter hex socket. Link will be in the description. This is $6 at Sears. This is a Titan tool. $6, maybe $7 shipping. This works on the ZX14 as well. I have that over there in the parking lot, and it works on the Vaquero. And I want to also say it's going to work on the ZX10, but it's been a while since I had my ZX10, so can't quite remember. I think all Kawasaki bikes are 22 millimeter. As far as the hex, some people use a spark plug remover if you want to go that route. I took them out, but there's going to be two front Allen screws here. Okay, that is going to be oh, it's in my pocket. That's going to be a 6 millimeter Allen wrench. Alright, see if let's do trying to get a excuse me, can't get it to focus. There we go. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. 6 millimeter Allen wrench right there. Alright, that's going to take these out. That's also going to take these out up top. Alright, you're going to need to loosen those right there. Stop that, boy. You're going to need to loosen those up there, and you're going to come around and you're going to loosen the ones right back here too. There's 2 at the top, 4 at the bottom. Alright, once you loosen those up, come around back, you're going to remove your 2 caliper screws that go right here. 1, 2. That is what I use this tool here, this socket here. This was a 15/32 socket. I don't know what the 12 was for. Maybe it's 12, also a 12, I don't know. But anyhow, that's what I used. Alright, take those out, remove your calipers. Once you got all that removed, then, and that loosened up there, this stuff will start coming down. Alright, I have me a jack stand here, so as this thing comes down, it doesn't just fall to the floor. Alright, I'm going to let the axle bolt be caught right here in the jack stand. Alright, right back. Okay, so with the axle rested into the jack stand, I can now raise this up high enough to see the beloved ring, the proverbial ring that we all will need to loosen up in order to slide these forks, or to slide the clamp down so the forks can come up some more. Okay, so I'm probably gonna slide this down about 1 inch. Alright, want to get yourself a measuring tape to do so, but you'll need your trusty 3 millimeter Allen wrench in order to adjust that ring. Okay, once I get that done, I'll be right back. Measure both sides. Also, make sure they're even on both sides. Alright, be right back. Okay, if I may, I would suggest getting you some painter's tape so you can make your measurement. I want to bring mine down 1 inch, right? But my ring here is at least almost ½ inch. So I want to compensate. And if I'm going to bring that down 1 inch, I need to make my tape mark at least almost ½ inch lower. So when I bring the bottom of that ring to this bottom line, it will sit at 1 inch. Okay? Hope you understand what I'm talking about. If not, hit me up, I'll explain. Okay, so now that you have both sides taped, you're now ready to lower the covers and raise up the forks to check the height.